We're asked, what is the output of the following code? We have a queue that we're dealing with, so hopefully you'll be able to better understand queues after this video. First, we declare our queue. Q, type integer, the name is just Q, and we're making it of a new linked list type integer. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add 10 and 4 into our queue. I'm going to write the output underneath this. So we are asked the size, we're going to print out 2. We are asked a peek, and that peek is going to peek the first in our queue, which is 10. Now, the difference between peek and remove is that peek allows us to print our value, and remove is going to print and remove that value. So after we do this, we do our peek, we print out 10, we're going to add a 6 in. So let's print out 6, and then we're going to print out a q.remove, so that's going to remove the first thing from our queue. So we're going to print out 10, and it's no longer going to be inside of here. After we do that, it seems like we add a 3, and then we have a remove. So we want to print and remove 4, so 4 is now gone. We have a peek, and then a remove. So if we peek, it's going to be 6, and then we're going to remove that 6 again. And then from here, we have an add 7. So we're going to add 7, but the last thing is just a peek, and our peek should be 3. So let's remove all this. Submit. That passed 1 out of 1 test. Hopefully that helps you better understand queues. We have the same one for stacks. It's in the playlist below the like button. If you have any questions, you can as always leave them in the comments.